Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to learn how to make this Excel dashboard in Microsoft Excel in a really easy and simple way. Let's get started. So first of all, in order to make this kind of dashboard, you need some simple things that you have to do. For instance, you start with your basic sheet, which is whatever calculations you have. For instance, I published one paper in energy environmental science on Bitcoin mining and renewable energy. Together was a mix-up of analysis. You can also find a paper on that. So what we did is like we did a basic analysis and basic assumptions, and also we did some calculations over here. You can do your own calculation and you can make your own flow for that. So this visualization actually shows that this is the power source, which is solar and wind farms, and then we also have a grid source, and then we have a mining farm, which is powered by the grid, and also with the solar and wind farm. Let's not go into technical details. So this is actually a flow how my system works, where the energy flows from, where the power is coming out of, where's the product going to other stage, and so forth, so on. So very easy and simple. What you do is like you need to identify and you need to make a simple block diagram. So when I say a block diagram, all you have to do is you have to have a small structure. Let's say you say that you are working on a flow. You have one flow here, another one here, and then this one, and similarly another flow here, and then there's a big process here. All depends on you. Now you want to say that your system is connected somehow like this. The product from here goes here, and then the product from here also goes to another section here, and then somehow, you can say that your process is going from here to here. So the main purpose for this is that you need to identify your flow. How does your flow works? How does your process works? And how does everything works in your system? So once you're done with that, all you can do is you can make a simple diagram like this. So you need, you all your variables, all your parameters that will be used. You can just use them here. For instance, we are talking about power for curtailed renewables. So in my dash controller, I do have power from curtailed renewables, which would be somewhere down here somewhere. Or if not, you can just simply click and see that it's in U10. So go to dash controller, you go here, and then you see it's U here, and then you will see U10 lies somewhere here. U10 lies over here. So this is the power, this is the value that I took it from here. So these are my some of the results, and these are some of the parameters and also results. So I want to whatever I want to show, I can just use it like that. Now, simply what you can do is, let's say we have these four values and we start from here. Okay, so once you have these four values, now you want to fill in these values. For instance, you want to put this value here. You just go here, press equal, go to dash controller, and then select this value and press enter. Now this value comes here. Similarly, you want the fraction. You press equal, you go to the controller, and then you click the fraction, which is, let's say this one, or this one, curtail fraction. It comes at 13.47. And then if you want this one and these two, simple, same step. You press here equal sign, go to dash controller and press this one. And then the last one is the total CO2 emissions. Since it's a renewable facility, the emissions would be zero. So you just put it like this. But if you go into some other part, you can calculate the emission like this. Now, what are we gonna do is that we're gonna try to make our first initial diagram. So we're gonna go here and we're gonna select this portion, go to the border shape option and click the thicker option one. Now you want to show the solar and wind farms. What you can do is you can either copy and paste, and I'm doing it because I already made this one. Or if you don't have this one, you can just go to insert, you can go to icons. Once the icon is loaded, you can just write solar. Once it's done, okay, let's say wind. So so for wind you do have, and then you write electricity. Let's see if we can find something. Okay, let's say we don't have it, or type solar. Nothing. Okay, we can just use the wind farm for now. So we're gonna use wind farm here. Okay, one way is like this. The other way is that you can either draw or you can make these icons in Microsoft PowerPoint. So once you are done with this one, I'm gonna show you how you make these lines. I'm gonna only show you a part of it so that I can save some time. So now these lines are custom drawn. You can make custom lines going using this option. You select this one, which is a freeform shape. You select this one, click, it will make one line, then hold the shift button to make another line, then another dot, then you need to go straight and then go down, click, 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 and then you end it like here. Now you can increase the thickness. Thickness would actually help it look much better. So if you increase the thickness, if you go it like this, it can work like that. Now you need to add an arrow out of it so that you can show which direction it's going. You can add like this. And if you want to change the color, you can just simply click on this one and change the color for the outline that you want. Any color that you want to use to represent your process. So this is something that you can start with this one. And these all are just the icons, and these are just representations of how you want to represent your process in that way. And these are just simply icons that I made in Microsoft PowerPoint, or you can just simply make it in Excel also. All you can do is just a brief demonstration how you can make this icon is just use a simple rectangle here. Use a rectangle like this one. You reduce its shape like this. You drag it down, you bring it down here, put it like this, you make another one, drop it down back here, send them both to the back. Once it's done, you can change colors. Go to shape fill, you can change different color like this, and you can remove the outline. Similarly, choose the color for this one. I'm going to choose a darker color. I'm going to remove the outline, and I'm going to choose a lighter color again. And this is how it starts. Now, once you're done with this one, all you can do is copy paste. Uh, Reduce the size. Now I'm gonna make the white lines that you can see here. Simply go here, put it like this, Control Shift and drag it down. There's another line here, and then take a circle, make a circle here, put it here, and white one. So you see, this is actually much better than the one I have in the picture above. So you can do anything. You can once you start to know how to use different shapes, you can easily make different diagrams with this one. If I give a different color to this one, it actually shape changes the way the image looks. So you can do anything you want. So this is a brief explanation how you can make a dashboard in Microsoft Excel in an easy and simple way. If you have any questions, if you have any comments, if you have any suggestions, please feel free to leave your comments down below. I'll be happy to get back to you and answer the question to the best of my possibility. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.